The Haryana Labour Department is transforming the lives of workers by introducing transparency and efficiency in its benefit delivery system. The department oversees 21 welfare schemes under the Haryana Labour Welfare Board and 23 schemes under the Haryana Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board. Workers have long faced challenges such as lack of transparency, delays in application processing, and the involvement of intermediaries and middlemen. However, through systematic reforms, the Haryana Labour Department is redefining the benefit dissemination process step by step, ensuring efficiency, transparency, and accountability. To address these issues, several innovative steps have been taken. Introducing Shramik Sahayata Seva. It's more than a helpline. It's a structured learning aid designed to empower laborers by upgrading their skills, enabling them to become self-sufficient in filling applications, staying digital informed, and avoiding repeated mistakes, ensuring their issues are resolved effectively. The helpline assists workers by updating them with the current status of the application, providing step-by-step guidance, informing them about missing documents, and helping them to rectify errors. Transparent SMS system. The SMS notification system at each step of the application process provides workers with information of applications, reasons for application rejections and objections. This proactive approach empowers workers by clearly identifying issues such as missing documents or incomplete information, enabling them to address concerns and reapply successfully. Nominee update. In the past, identifying the nominated beneficiary was challenging in cases of a worker's demise. To address this, regular notifications keep both workers and nominees informed, ensuring up-to-date records. This ensures seamless transfer of benefits to the nominated beneficiary, ensuring a worker-centric approach that emphasizes efficiency and welfare. Central Processing Centers. Central Processing Centers have been established in Hisar, Panchkula and Sonipat to streamline application processing. These centers ensures efficiency and transparency by unifying scrutiny, faceless processing, ensuring fairness, and implementing stringent monitoring with web-based CCTV systems. Standard Operating Procedures. SOPs are designed to streamline communications, objections, and rejections related to benefit applications, thereby significantly reducing processing times. The standardization of objections has also been introduced. Moreover, the points of objections and rejections have been thoroughly revised following extensive discussions. Language was simplified to ensure ease of understanding for all applicants. Standardized operating procedures have paved the way for a digitally driven, error-free application process. With features like OTP-based verifications, auto-filled forms, and simplified document uploads, workers can now navigate the process effortlessly. Labour Department is dedicated to creating a transparent, efficient, and worker-friendly ecosystem, empowering Haryana workers with transparency and innovation.